came from the same person in Germany. He says that nowadays extraordinary floods are being witnessed in Central Europe and different parts of America. So do they have any significance regarding the truth of promised Messiah, or are they related with Huzur's Mubahala?
You see, they have a significance, I believe, but I mentioned that significance during my address of the Sasarana. We are passing through year 1997. 100 years ago, this same year appeared, 1897. Things which happened in that year are repeating themselves here. If you read the history of Ahmediyya and the history of the calamities which befell the world, you'll be surprised that the newspapers of that period declared that as Amul Huzn. There's so many droughts, so many floods, so many diseases, and comets were also appeared, like the comets appeared here. Similar comets, exactly, with two tails. So the repetition of this 100 years is definitely, in my opinion, a sign from Allah that Islam's truth will be shown by Allah once again with a fervor and with a clamor which will be heard by people. But they are not signs directly understandable for the world. That's where we are wrong. It's impossible for you to believe that some Christians, some Hindus, some Sikhs would consider these things to be signs in favor of Muslim or Islam. None will. But they are signs for Ahmadis. They are signs for Ahmadis that another year has come which appeared 100 years ago. You go ahead and push the Tabligh work forward. These signs mean heavenly bodies and heavenly powers are in your favor. Go ahead and you will reap good harvest if you do it. So they are not signs which are directly seen and understood. Like Pharaoh, he didn't understand any signs. Like the people of Noah, they rejected signs until the sign, overwhelmed them, destroyed them. So when we say signs, we should not think in our own wishful thinking that the whole world will read them as signs. None will. It's our responsibility to read the signs and present them to the world.